Hello, everyone, and welcome to Slow English Stories Academy. In today's conversation, Matt and Anna discuss a common problem for many learners: translating in your head. Our goal is to share practical strategies to help you start thinking in English, so you can speak more naturally and with more confidence.
Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Matt. How are you doing today?
I am okay, but I feel a little frustrated right now.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. What is wrong? Is everything okay?
Yes, my life is fine. It is my English. I practice every single day. I read books, I study words, but I still speak so slowly.
Ah, I see. Many people feel this way, Matt. It is very common.
Really? I feel like I am the only one. I always stop. I stop and think for a long time before I say a word.
Yes. Do you know why you speak slowly?
I'm not sure. Maybe my English is just bad.
No, Matt. Your English is very good. The problem is translation.
Translation? What do you mean by that?
When you speak, do you think in your native language first?
Yes, always. I think in my mother tongue, and then I search for the English words.
Exactly. That is the root cause. That is why you are slow.
Why is that a problem?
Because it adds an extra step. You are doing two jobs, not one.
Wow, I never thought about that.
Yes, your brain works very hard to translate. We call this directed processing. It takes too much mental energy.
So, what is the secret to fast speaking?
You must learn to think in English, directly in English.
Think only in English? Without translating in my head?
Yes, we call this automatic processing.
Automatic? Like a fast machine?
Yes, quick and easy, with zero effort.
But I am not a machine. How can I do this?
True fluency does not mean you are super smart.
Really? I thought fluent people were just smarter.
No, it just means your brain is trained. Your brain can find the words fast.
Trained? Like a muscle in the gym?
Exactly. You train your brain. You practice a new way of thinking.
That sounds like hard work. Can you help me?
Of course. I have 7 great strategies for you.
Awesome. I am ready to learn. What is the first strategy?
Strategy number 1. Make an English bubble habit.
An English bubble? Like a soap bubble?
No, not a soap bubble. A language bubble.
How do I make this bubble?
You put English all around you. You live inside it.
Every day? For how long?
Just 30 minutes a day is perfect.
30 minutes. Okay. What should I do in those 30 minutes?
Listen to English music, watch movies, listen to the daily news.
Oh, I like music. Can I listen to podcasts too?
Yes, audio programs are great. Do this every single day.
Why is this consistency so important?
It is like a workout for your mind. It builds your brain power over time.
Ah, I understand. My brain gets used to the English sounds.
Exactly. Are you ready for strategy number 2?
Yes, I am ready. I'm not tired at all. Tell me.
Strategy 2 is the word pairing method.
Word pairing? What are pairs?
A pair is 2 things together, like 2 shoes.
Okay, so 2 words together.
Yes.
Never learn one single word alone.
Why not? I always write down one word. I have a big notebook for single words.
Because isolated words are hard to remember, the brain favors predictable patterns.
Patterns, predictable. Can you give me an easy example?
Sure, do not just learn the word noise.
Okay, what should I learn instead?
You should learn the pair. Say, loud noise.
Ah, loud noise. They always go together.
Yes, heavy traffic, hard work, cold weather.
Wow, that makes sense. I know what comes next.
Exactly. Your brain anticipates the next word. It makes you faster.
I will stop learning single words right now.
Good idea. Now let's look at strategy number 3.
I am listening carefully.
Strategy 3 is the audio echo technique.
Echo? Like when I shout in a big empty room?
Yes, you hear the sound return to you.
How does an echo help my English?
You listen to English audio, then you repeat the words immediately.
Repeat immediately? Out loud?
Yes, speak out loud right after you hear it.
Should I think about the meaning in my language?
No, do not translate it. Do not analyze the grammar.
Just repeat the sounds?
Yes, just echo the words. It shifts your brain toward automatic processing.
That sounds fun, like a repeating bird.
Exactly. It stops your brain from translating.
Wow, it blocks my mother tongue completely.
Yes, it is a very powerful trick.
I will try this tomorrow morning.
Great. Let's move to strategy number 4.
Okay, I am ready for number 4.
This is contextual concept mapping.
Mapping? Like drawing a map on paper?
Yes, a word map. First, choose a short audio story or a focused topic.
Okay, a short story. What next?
Before you press play, take 60 seconds.
1 minute. What do I do in that minute?
Think about the topic. Write down English words you already know.
Oh, so if the story is about a farm, I write cow, pig, tractor?
Exactly. Or if the story is about a restaurant, you write menu, food, waiter.
I see. I write them quickly without translation. I just use English.
Yes. Then you press play. You listen to the story carefully.
Should I understand every single word? Do I need to know 100%?
No. Only aim to understand 60 or 70%.
Really? Only 60%? Is that enough?
Yes, it is enough. You must force your brain to guess the meaning.
Ah, I rely on the context, not translation.
Yes, and after the story finishes, you draw your map.
I connect the words on a paper.
Yes, you instantly connect the new ideas in English.
That sounds like a great mental game.
It is. Now, strategy number 5 is very visual.
Really? What is it called?
It is called silent scene narration.
Silent? That means no sound at all?
Exactly. You play a video, but you mute the sound completely.
A silent video. Okay. What kind of video should I use?
A highly visual video with lots of action. Mute the first minute.
Okay. The video is playing. Now what do I do?
Slow down the playback speed, then try to express the actions on the screen.
I say the actions in English?
Yes, use English words in your head or say them out loud.
What if I do not know a word for an action?
That is okay. Just wait until the end of the video clip.
And then I search for the missing words?
Yes. Later, you search for any words you did not know.
And then what?
Then, you re-watch the video clip.
Oh, and I link the new words directly to the pictures.
Exactly. You link the word to the visual action, not to your native language.
Wow, that is so smart. It removes translation completely.
Yes, it works very well. Now we have 2 more strategies, Matt.
Okay, Anna, I am taking notes. I want to learn everything.
Strategy number 6 is the 5-minute inner monologue.
Monologue? What does that word mean?
It means talking to yourself.
Talking to myself? People will think I am a little crazy.
No, you force your internal thoughts into English. You talk inside your head.
Oh, I see. For 5 minutes.
Yes, set a timer for 5 minutes every single day.
What should I think about?
Think exclusively in English. Narrate your surroundings and your current actions.
Narrate? Like telling a story about my life?
Yes, tell a story about what you are doing right now or share your opinions.
For example, I am sitting on a chair. I am looking at my notebook. I am drinking hot coffee.
Perfect. Start with simple words. Things you see, things you touch.
And then, what do I do next?
Then use basic sentences. Describe your feelings, like, I am happy today.
And slowly increase the complexity. I am hungry because I did not eat breakfast.
Wow, yes, exactly like that, but only for 5 minutes.
Why only 5 minutes? I want to practice more.
You must keep it short. It is hard work for your brain.
I don't want to get tired.
Right. If you do it too long, it will become mentally exhausting.
5 minutes is perfect for my daily routine.
Now, the last strategy, strategy number 7,
The final secret. What is it, Anna?
fearless, active dialogue.
Fearless? That means having absolutely no fear.
Yes, do not be afraid. You must push yourself to speak every single day.
Speak with real people? Face to face?
Yes, engage in actual conversations. Talk to friends, talk to teachers.
But I feel very anxious. My heart beats fast. What if I make silly mistakes?
Everyone makes mistakes, Matt. Even native speakers make mistakes.
I know, but it is still scary to talk.
Push yourself. Real-time speaking forces your brain to be fast.
It forces my brain to adapt and survive.
Yes, it rapid fires your thoughts. And here is a trick to make it easier for you.
A trick? Please tell me. I need it.
Talk about the same topics you prepared during your mapping exercises.
Oh, the word maps from Strategy 4?
Yes, use those topics. The vocabulary is already fresh in your mind.
Wow, that is a great plan. The words are ready in my head.
Exactly. You do not need to pause and search for them. You will feel confident.
Anna, these 7 strategies are amazing. I feel so much better now.
I am very glad you like them, but remember one important thing.
What is the important thing?
Changing your brain takes time.
It is not a quick switch? It doesn't happen overnight?
No, transitioning to thinking purely in English is a gradual evolution.
So I must be very patient with myself.
Yes, be patient. Practice every day. Build your new habits slowly.
What is the ultimate goal of all this hard work?
The ultimate goal is to speak with smoother flow, to speak with much less effort.
I'm not going to give up. I will start my English bubble tomorrow morning.
That is the perfect spirit, Matt. I know you will achieve real fluency.
Thank you so much for your help today, Anna.
You are very welcome, Matt. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.
I will. Have a great day.
We hope these tips help you overcome the translation habit and build better English thinking skills. Remember, fluency takes time and daily practice, so be patient with yourself. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Slow English Stories Academy for more conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.